Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair, your go-to spot for car diagnostics and DIY auto repairs. Today we're diving into trouble code P0074, what it means, why it shows up, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0074 stands for Ambient Air Temperature Sensor Circuit Intermittent Erratic. This code pops up when your car's computer detects unstable or inconsistent signals from the ambient air temperature sensor. The ambient air temperature sensor measures the outside air temperature and sends that data to the ECU. The car uses this info to optimize engine performance, fuel economy, and even HVAC settings. Common causes of P0074. Number 1. Faulty ambient air temperature AAT sensor. Over time, the sensor can fail due to exposure to moisture, road debris, or temperature fluctuations. A failing sensor may provide erratic readings or temporarily lose signal, triggering the P0074 code. Use a multimeter to test the resistance, usually varies with temperature. If out of range or fluctuating abnormally, replace it. Number 2. Wiring issues. Frayed, corroded, or broken wires leading to or from the sensor can cause intermittent or erratic signals. Poor connections at the sensor plug or ECM connector can cause intermittent data flow. Perform a visual and hands-on inspection of the sensor harness. Look for cuts, melted insulation, loose connections, or corrosion. Repair or replace damaged wiring and connectors. Number 3. Loose or corroded sensor connector. Moisture, dirt, or corrosion in the sensor connector can disrupt the electrical signal and cause fluctuations. Use electronic contact cleaner to remove corrosion and ensure solid connectivity. Replace the connector if it's heavily corroded. Number 4. Bad ground or power supply. A weak ground or power issue within the circuit could cause voltage irregularities leading to erratic behavior. Make sure the circular sensor isn't near high heat sources or blocked by engine components. Relocate or shield if necessary. Number 5. Malfunctioning ECM/PCM. Rare, but sometimes the ECM may misinterpret or mishandle incoming data due to internal faults. If all physical components check out, a reflash or ECM replacement may be necessary. This step should be performed only after exhausting other possibilities. Preventive measures. Regularly inspect wiring and sensor connections, especially after repairs or front-end collisions. Avoid pressure washing engine compartments without protecting electrical components. Use OEM quality sensors for replacements. That's for today. Thanks for watching.